today I've got the most beautiful and one of the most fittest person around, and that's Neeti Mohan. Neeti Mohan, you want to tell us about your experience on training with us?
Training with us?
Yeah.
I'm standing with the man who I know for last 10 years and one of the most dedicated, most hardworking, and I don't know why, I have just a lot of respect for Praveen.
Thank you so much.
I don't get to tell you this, but my association with you is like more than 10 years strong.
That's true.
And I've seen you grow as a person, as a fitness trainer, and now you run like an empire here with Bodyprocoach, there's Pilates, and every time I meet you there is something new added to the gym, to the training. There's something new information that I always take back. So I feel very excited, I feel very educated when I come here. And you know, sometimes your schedule does not allow you to be very regular, but I think the way you inspire me, you will message me, be here 20 minutes before, warm up, and after the workout, make sure you have a fruit, make sure you have this, where is your diet book, let me see that. I mean, I feel that you play such an important role in my life.
That's so amazing.
And I want to thank you for that.
Thanks.
And I hope that this association
stays
grows
forever.
Stronger, stays forever, and you keep making our lives fitter. You keep inspiring us, and you be the role model you are with your 6 packs.
I want to really ask one more thing to you is that sometimes we come from Kandivali, right? This is definitely too far for us to travel that much of a distance. What makes you to travel that much of distance for a workout here?
So I used to live close by, but now I've shifted to Kandivali. But I think I travel 1 hour to see you and train with you and go back 1 hour.
Yeah.
But I feel it's worth it. It's worth my time, and it's an investment that I come here, and it's invested in my body, in my time, in my fitness, and the knowledge that you impart. That be consistent, eat this, be fit. And I feel that it's one of the most important things for me as a singer, as a musician. I travel a lot, and for me my fitness level has to be very good. So I think you
inspire all of us maintaining such a lifestyle, looking always fit, because I know you from nothing less about 10 to 12 years, and you look the same. I mean, you look the same.
No, I've been trying, but I think the more I spend time here, with you, with Maahek, I see Kian, I see Kiara. I mean, they inspire me. They're hardly like 5 years, 7 years, and how they are. It's all about just staying fit, staying positive, and staying hopeful that you will get better. And I think that's what life is about. Yeah. So thank you so much.
And I want to wish you all the best, girl.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
इतनी तारीफ तो मैंने कभी